Hey up everyone and welcome. The pattern and DIY kits are available at ayupduckcreations.com. The link is in the description below. Today we're going to be doing some lavender. But first, don't forget to hit those subscribe and like buttons so you don't miss out on any future videos. These are the materials and tools that we're going to be using today. And this is the sprig of lavender that we're going to be making today. I hope you enjoy. I'm just going to show you the movement that I'm going to be making today. It's easier to show you here off the stem rather than on the stem. It's a bit like that old paper game we used to play as kids, like the fortune telling game. Now let's get to making the flower. I start by putting a hook on that top of the stem there, and that first petal I cut in half. The rest of the petals I thread onto my doll needle. You can use scissors, but I find the doll needle I can stab 8 petals in one go rather than snipping 8 petals. And now for this top piece, I'm just going to glue it in place, and before the glue sets I'm going to squidge it a little bit so that it forms a nice little fluff part on top of the stem. Same again with that second piece. And then for the remaining 8 petals that I have on the doll needle, I just whittle that doll needle to make the hole a little bit better, and then I can thread all 8 petals onto the stem. Now for the rest of the petals on the stem, we're going to do that folding motion that I showed you at the beginning of the video, and before the glue sets we're going to squeeze it a little bit just to change the shape of the petal. You can leave gaps in between these layers, it's up to you. You can make them closer, you can just leave bigger gaps, however you like it to look. You carry on all the way down the stem, putting on as many petals as you like. Now we're just going to add some simple leaves at the bottom of the stem, just to give a dash of greenery there. And then we're all done with the lavender sprig. And just look at all these pretty tones that we can do the lavender in. Makes me want to go outside with a nice chilled glass of wine. Thank you for watching everybody. Don't forget, patterns and DIY kits are available at ayupduckcreations.com. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And I'll speak to you again later.